Livingston County in central Illinois, Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, western Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Leland to near Grand Ridge to near Downs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. A 70 miles per hour wind gust was reported with this line of storms at Streeter 11:05 p.m. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Buckley, Preston Heights, Plainfield, Crest Hill, Millbrook, Limestone, Cullum, Hyper City, Cadbury, Chandler, Bristol, Kempton, Liddell, Joint, Morris, Wilmington, Elmwood, Longfield, Unionville, Campus, Coal City, Farmville, Forest, Lisbon, and Simonton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for central and east central Illinois. This is NOAA's weather radio.